careful, debugging puts a lot of stress on the router itself as well. So if in some cases, if you are troubleshooting and you are not getting through, you want to see what is going on behind the scene with the router, what you can do, you can turn the debugging on, but be very careful. It can put a lot of stress on the memory and CPU utilization of the router. The debugging is like showing you in the real time what is happening behind the scene, maybe for particular feature or maybe for anything else. So debugging is a very intrusive troubleshooting command. Debugging normally it's not on most of the time. If you go to the router, you do this command show debugging. See, debugging is not on. But for example, if I ping to, let's say 10.0.0.0.1, okay, debug IP ICMP. Now when I debug IP ICMP, you see what happened. It shows you the real time the request is gone and request is echoed from the source to the destination. Okay? So for example, if I come here, you see the real time information is coming. I am continuously pinging -T -N. Yeah, -N. Okay. So you see behind the scene, I'm pinging from this machine to this router, and you can see I am getting because I turn the debugging on, show debug, it shares the ICMP packet debug is on. If I say debug IP packet, okay, and I ping it from here. So what is happening behind the scene? So show debugging, guys. If I do show debugging, so you can see the debug IP packet. It means everything on the IP packet, I'm debugging it. So when I ping it from here, my computer, yeah, when I put the turn the debug on the full packet, it just, you see my machine is just stuck.